In the digital world, a constant battle is waged between security professionals and cybercriminals. Free hacker tools are a key part of this conflict, software programs available to anyone online, designed to find and exploit security weaknesses. Many of these tools were created for ethical hacking, but in the wrong hands, they become digital crowbars for breaking into accounts, networks, and databases. These tools automate complex attacks, making it easy for even low-skilled attackers to launch sophisticated cybercrimes. The accessibility of these tools has lowered the barrier to entry for cybercrime, allowing more people to steal data or disrupt systems. They're widely available on public forums and code-sharing sites, making them a persistent threat. The range is vast. Some scan networks for vulnerabilities. Others deliver malware, crack passwords, or create fake websites. This ecosystem provides a complete toolkit for cybercriminals, finding targets, breaking in, stealing data, and weaponizing it all for free. The cost-free nature of these tools is a major reason why cyber threats are so widespread. The image of a lone genius hacker is outdated. Today, anyone with a point-and-click interface can become a threat. The democratization of hacking tools means attacks can come from anywhere, not just organized crime. Understanding the existence and use of these tools is crucial for everyone. Building strong personal security habits is the best defense against these freely available digital weapons. Stolen data, like customer emails and passwords, is just information, until hackers turn it into a weapon. Using specialized tools, they embed malicious code, viruses or Trojans, directly into files containing stolen data. For example, a hacker can inject a script into a spreadsheet, so when someone opens it, their computer is silently infected. Tools called binders merge legitimate-looking documents with malware, so victims see what they expect while the virus runs in the background. Hackers compress and obscure malicious code, making it harder for antivirus software to detect. Macros, small programs in Office files, are another favorite. Hackers embed malicious macros in stolen data files, tricking users into enabling them and triggering malware downloads. The goal turns stolen data into a delivery mechanism for new attacks. Victims might receive phishing emails urging them to check what data was leaked, only to download a Trojan horse. The cruel irony is that anxious victims end up infecting themselves by trying to see what was stolen. This transforms a single data breach into a springboard for countless new infections. Hackers use these tactics to multiply the impact of a breach, spreading malware far beyond the original theft. The cycle continues as each new victim can become a new source of infection. This is how clean data becomes a powerful weapon in the hands of cybercriminals. Metasploit framework is one of the most powerful and well-known hacking tools. Originally built for security testing, it's now a favorite among cybercriminals for its vast library of pre-written exploits. Instead of writing complex code, attackers can simply search Metasploit's database for an exploit that matches their target's weakness. Metasploit automates the attack process, scanning systems, identifying vulnerabilities, and deploying malicious payloads. A payload is the code executed after a successful exploit, anything from a command prompt to ransomware. Attackers can use Metasploit to inject malicious scripts into thousands of files in minutes, corrupting entire databases. Its versatility makes it an all-in-one tool for breaking in, stealing data, and weaponizing it. For example, a hacker might exploit a company's file server, steal a customer database, and then use Metasploit to create a backdoor for future access. They can embed keyloggers or other malware into stolen files before leaking them online. Anyone who downloads and opens these files risks further infection. Metasploit's automation and power make it a go-to tool for both ethical hackers and criminals. Its ease of use means even those with limited skills can launch devastating attacks. The threat is real and widespread because of tools like Metasploit. While Metasploit delivers payloads, antivirus software is designed to catch them. Enter the Veil framework. Veil creates malicious payloads that evade most antivirus solutions, acting as a cloak of invisibility for malware. It transforms standard viruses using encryption and code obfuscation, producing unique files that scanners don't recognize. Attackers simply select a payload, choose a disguise method, and Veil generates a new, undetectable version. Each payload is slightly different, making signature-based detection nearly impossible. For example, a hacker can use Veil to wrap a Trojan in layers of encryption before bundling it with stolen documents. When victims open the infected files, their antivirus sees nothing suspicious, and the malware executes silently. Veil's ability to mass-produce unique, undetectable malware makes it essential for hackers spreading corrupted data. It ensures that weaponized files slip past defenses and infect targets. The result? More successful attacks, more victims, and more chaos. Veil is a critical tool in the modern hacker's arsenal. TheFatRat is a popular open-source tool for creating Trojans, malware disguised as legitimate files. It automates building Trojans and embedding them into images, documents, or software installers, requiring little technical skill. Attackers follow simple prompts, and TheFatRat generates a malicious file ready for distribution. It's especially effective for weaponizing stolen data, like turning a breach notification into a malware delivery tool. TheFatRat can target multiple operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Android. Hackers can create infected apps or APKs, sending links to victims who unknowingly install malware on their devices. Once installed, the malware can steal contacts, read messages, and track locations, all while appearing harmless. TheFatRat combines power and simplicity, making it easy for anyone to launch large-scale attacks. Its built-in obfuscation features help malware evade detection, streamlining the process from data theft to mass infection. TheFatRat shows how free tools can turn stolen data into a devastating weapon. Why do hackers corrupt data they've already stolen? To amplify damage and create new opportunities for profit or disruption. By embedding malware into stolen files, hackers turn a one-time asset into a continuous source of income or control. Ransomware is a major motive. Hackers infect stolen databases, leak them, and when victims open the files, their systems are encrypted and held for ransom. Another motive is building botnets, infected computers that can be rented out for attacks or used to mine cryptocurrency. Corrupted data lures victims into volunteering their devices for criminal use. Some hackers are driven by revenge or ideology, aiming to cause chaos and damage reputations. Infecting stolen data with destructive malware can harm both organizations and their customers. The impact goes far beyond the initial breach, multiplying the hacker's reach and profit. Corrupting stolen data is a strategy to maximize harm and extend the life of a cyber attack. For individuals, the consequences of corrupted stolen data are severe. Beyond the initial privacy violation, infected files can lead to ransomware attacks, identity theft, and loss of personal files. Spyware and keyloggers silently steal sensitive information, draining bank accounts and committing fraud. Hackers can hijack email or social media accounts, spreading malware to friends and colleagues, damaging reputations and relationships. Infected work computers can trigger larger breaches, risking jobs and legal trouble. The psychological toll is real: stress, anxiety, and the exhausting process of recovery. Victims spend countless hours restoring their digital lives and monitoring for further attacks. The weaponization of stolen data leaves lasting scars, both digital and personal. Protecting yourself starts with skepticism. Don't trust unsolicited emails or links, even if they seem legitimate. Always verify breach claims directly with companies, and never download attachments claiming to show your compromised data. Use strong, unique passwords and a password manager. Enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. Keep your software and antivirus up to date to close vulnerabilities hackers exploit. Regularly back up important files to external drives or secure cloud services, so you can recover from ransomware without paying. Store at least one backup offline, out of reach of attackers. Be mindful of what data you share and where you store it. These simple habits create a strong digital fortress against free hacker tools. The digital world is filled with powerful free tools that make cybercrime easier than ever. Corrupting stolen data with malware multiplies the damage, turning victims into new targets. Cybersecurity isn't just for corporations, it's a personal responsibility for everyone. Awareness is the first step. Understanding hacker tools helps you spot and avoid attacks. Strong passwords, two-factor authentication, software updates, and regular backups form a powerful shield. The fight for digital safety is ongoing, but the core principles remain the same. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and treat your data with care. The tools of the hacker may be free, but so is the knowledge to protect yourself. With caution and good habits, we can win the battle, one secure password at a time.